We are walking the Waiuku Forest Trail today. It's located in Waiuku in Auckland, South Auckland. The total trail should be around 10 to 12 kilometers, depends on how we walk. The trail is a loop, so we'll report to you after we finish the hike. So we parked by the entrance, but I can see that people can actually drive the car forward, but we've decided to do the walk on the road. So we'll just see how it goes. Talk to you later. On our left is the Waikato River. So what we're heading to is where the Waikato River enters the Tasmen Sea. And I think opposite to where we're heading to is the Sunset Beach and the Waikato Port there as well. In front of us is the big sand dune. I'm not too sure whether we can cross over, but you can certainly drive up to the Waikato port and then can do the hiking on the sand dune as well.